Our company does paving and grading for both residential, industrial, and even road sites. A few years ago, we took on Topcon 3D systems. We could see the technology would really help us. It might make us more productive and more efficient. But it was a huge investment, so we didn't take it lightly. And it turned out Topcon was more than we ever expected, did everything we needed. We recouped our investment, and we never looked back. The thing I like about Topcon is all the tools work together to make our projects run more efficient. We're running faster, we're using less materials. We know what our job is going to cost us before we go into it. It's a big deal. It makes our bids much more competitive. It's brought us up to a whole new level. And now with this new software they have, SiteLink 3D, we can connect all the different aspects of a job together. That means the office, the machines, the rover, they're all talking to each other, and the efficiency just ratchets up a notch.
Here's a typical way we use SiteLink. Out in the field, we can use a quad to topo the ground before the bid, allowing the bid to be as accurate as possible. The topo information then gets sent to the office straight from the field. Back in the office, we then take that info and check it against the design. We can then convert the design into a TP3 file and send it straight to our grade checker, so he can get started right away.
Well, SiteLink makes my life so much easier. There's no downtime, there's no running information all over the place, there's no chasing information down. The entire job site is on my field controller, and any changes there are can be entered and dealt with right away.
We do most of our mass X with excavators and haul trucks while I'm working in the fill. We've got the entire job site in our machines in the box at all times. There's no need for the grade man to be underfoot. I can go anywhere on the site at a moment's notice. Everything moves a lot faster, and you only have to move the dirt once. And once the dirt's moved, the excavator can change the buckets and do the underground too. Once I start grading, forget about it. The MC² system it's lights out fast. So if you want to work, if you want to go fast, if you don't want to waste a lot of time stopping, then this is the system for you. And it's accurate to half a tenth. Can't beat that, honestly.
With SiteLink, I can easily communicate with my guys on the site. Using the text function is such a better way to communicate than the phone because the guys are always looking at their screens. There's no way they're going to miss my message. And if they have to get a hold of me, they can do it right from the cab. SiteLink allows me to monitor the work each machine is doing live. That's huge. I knew what was happening before, but now with SiteLink, I can readily see it all in one place.
I've never seen a system before where the guy in the office can literally see what's happening in my box, in my cab. I just started on this job and I could tell something was off.
3D Office has a viewer that gives you a range of information about every machine at a glance. So when an operator alerts me, I can look at the data from his machine. In this case, I saw that the machine had the wrong file.
I sent a text to the surveyor who was able to take care of the problem for me from his desk. It's amazing.
SiteLink allows me to push out files or even force install, which can really speed up the process. I can also literally take over his control box for configuration or troubleshooting, or just to show him something in the software.
I just hate sitting and waiting, you know? And with this system, we can pretty much handle everything remotely, which means I'm back to work right away.
There's no question SiteLink helped with machines, but it's also changed the way we did grade management. We do topos every week. Sometimes with the workload, we can do them every day. We're running a lot of machines, we're spending huge amounts of money every day. So having accurate data and getting it quickly saves us money. Saving money in this economy is crucial. When we use SiteLink, as soon as a topo is created, it's in the office.
Well, I'm not just out checking after the machines. I put in reference stakes, I capture as-built, utilities, manhole covers, that sort of thing. So even if we cover something up, we still know where it is. I build up a lot of practical data, and now the office has it too.
Our grade checker uses Pocket 3D. I use Magnet Site. Totally compatible. We can exchange important info back and forth quickly. And when I've got a change order to do, I just send it to everyone all at once.
In our paving division, we do both new construction and resurfacing. The RTP 300 makes that resurfacing jobs much easier to survey and design. We can take and profile existing roadways without having to close the road. That means we don't have to have boots on the ground at all. This kind of technology makes our job so quick and at a fraction of the cost. We can then take that information and upload it into the Magnet office site and get a plan and a profile to do whatever we need to do.
For both asphalt and concrete work, we use millimeter GPS. We can even share components between machines. We like the flexibility the system gives us. The rovers can convert to millimeter 2, and that's a big plus. We can start anywhere on the site. We can run multiple dual mass systems from one transmitter. It's the same GPS system that's used throughout the company. It works and it's accurate. Our clients tell us it's the best control they've ever seen.
It's the best thing to happen to the construction industry. It's brought the industry into the future. Production's up, the cost of labor is down. It's allowed us to maximize every piece of equipment. We couldn't compete without it.